going on, guys? It's your boy Sonic here. I'm here with a bionic rival, and we're gonna be oh god, we're being chased by zombies. And oh god, shot by skeletons!
Bye, Nike.
And Haley was already stealing back.
Oh, that sounds nice. Uh-oh.
So yeah, guys, we're here. We're gonna be doing an SMP, a 2, I guess, for now at least. We got split up into groups.
A witch.
Oh god! But I want the egg. We got the egg. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh god, you beat off the witch! Ah! Okay, fine. I gotta do game roll, keep inventory. Hold up. Okay. Hold up.
I gotta kill a chicken because I gotta eat. There we go. I feel better now.
Okay, guys. So here we are on SMP, and today we're gonna be starting this. It's gonna be me, Slight Kit Kat, Bionic Rebel, and Hey Haley. We're all gonna be doing this SMP. It's gonna be pretty fun, I think. What do you think, Bionic?
I don't know now. I feel like I'm gonna cry because I've been molested by a skeleton and a zombie at the same time.
Isn't that nice?
Oh,
So
I'm gonna throw
hold up. No.
I threw an egg out.
I got you.
Okay, good.
Please.
I threw an egg at a zombie.
Here we are, guys. We're in the SMP, dude. We should get started on like basic crap.
Yeah, it's called tree mining.
It's called punching a tree until it does our bidding. Holy crap. Okay, guys.
Yeah, I got Pete.
Get ready to do this. I got a tweet, dude. I got arrows in my shoulder.
I got a creeper on my tail.
What? Where are you?
I'm going sky high where the creepers won't get me.
What do you mean sky high? Are you building up?
No, I'm just sitting on top of the tree. I'm gonna make
I see you up there.
Crafting table. And what is
Yeah, dude. Okay, we gotta go caving together. When we mine, we'll be able to go in opposite directions.
Oh, this book is stupid. It just tells you how you can craft everything. I don't care. It might be useful for some people, but not to me.
It's 1.12 for you. Okay, wait, dude. Place down the crafting bench.
Boom.
Oh yeah.
That took.
Can't believe you just did that.
That's
Yeah, go rest. Go rest. Go rest. I understand how hard that was for you.
Okay.
Okay. First base of the day.
I think.
There we go. We made a base.
I put the.
Wait, let me put my chicken in there.
No, I put my crafting table to good use.
You cooked the crafting table.
Maybe. Hey.
Well, great.
Well, that's good firewood, though.
Yeah, here, I want to take my chicken, you take yours.
One good question.
Dude, what?
What are we doing down here?
We're looking for iron.
Why?
So we can continue our journey. Why? What do you mean, why?
Why are we continuing our journey?
So we can survive better than them.
What's the purpose of life?
I don't know.
Aw, you didn't answer my question right. Okay, guys. So far we has found.
Oh, dude, I found it! I found the cave.
And let's see. Okay, Nike found a cave.
I found the cave. Oh my god. Oh god, no! Oh yeah. No.
Don't die.
No, that's Skelly. I do not want to challenge that.
Well, I'm not gonna get challenged.
Let's just run. Oh my god, wait, was that iron? No, I'm blind.
I'm legally blind because I burnt a crafting table. Because I'm so poor.
Yeah.
I'm poor.
Oh god. Dude, I'm so... Oh my gosh. Wait, dude, I found lapis.
Hey, we're getting pretty low levels.
Yeah, dude. Loaded.
Okay, I have my stuff. I have a furnace.
Dude, holy crap, the amount of lapis.
And there's a skeleton trying to shoot me.
Dude, I have 48 lapis.
Nice.
Oh, I found iron finally. Dude, wait, what if he died to the same witch we found?
I egged a witch. He didn't.
Yeah. I don't know why you did that.
Oh no.
Dude, more iron and I found gold.
I found more iron.
Freaking way, dude.
I want to die.
Let's go. Oh, wait, this is a ravine.
Nice.
I just realized this was a ravine I just found. Up. Put that there. Pop that in. That'll take 2 coal. I don't care. Okay. Wait, is this a ravine? Wait, I can't tell. Wait, is the ravine down here? Or, like right down here? Oh, yeah. I found a ravine as well.
Oh my gosh, when your pick's about to break, that's nice.
Okay.
And
I
forgot the
found a creeper.
I'm sorry, but I forgot the crafting table again. So
I got one. No, dude, you cooked it, remember?
Nah, I made 3 of them. This will be the 3rd.
Oh, I have one in my inventory. I brought it with me.
I'm just too lazy to mine it because I don't have an axe.
Yeah,
So
I
I
brought
kinda-
that and the furnace with me. Holy crap, there's a skeleton right here. I want to kill it.
Don't die. Oh, good.
G, got that. Okay, I don't want to explore this without my iron. So let me get my iron.
Oh
What
my
up?
gosh, I want to cry. There's too much coal.
What?
Finally!
Oh, dude, okay, I got an iron pick now. I can take this gold. Holy cow. Isn't it iron pick? How much gold? Please give me enough for a gap. Nope, nope, not enough for a gap.
Why do you want a gapple so bad?
I don't know. Just because why not? Nice to have one. I can't make pants. I just realized that. So stupid. Holy. Oh my gosh, the iron. Hold up. I found gold. I found 2 more. Oh my gosh, only 2. Dang it.
I got torches.
I got a lot of iron, dude.
I do too.
Wait a second. Hold up. Let's see. Wow. This is a duel, I think. Wait, is that you up there? I think that's you up there. I think I saw you just now. Do you see my tag right now? Is that you close to me?
Probably.
Whoever it is, he's coming closer.
Right now?
Carrying me. Yeah, at this point, you're going lower. Yeah, that's you.
Am I jumping up and down?
I don't know. I stopped looking.
Well, you need to figure this out now.
What? Hold up.
I'm looking for
Where?
Oh, it's creepy.
What is?
Things are dangerous.
Hold up. I
Oh my
am
God.
literally
1.12 combat so stupid.
right.
I can even kill a bat in 1 hit.
Remember when we used to be able to like just destroy any mob?
Yeah, that was
All the
good.
pro PvPers could literally destroy anything.
Yeah, but I'm gonna die. I don't have no food.
Why?
I ate it all.
Oh, gold. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one piece of chicken was all I had as well. Found more iron, but I don't think I need that.
There's too many caves I don't know.
I'm gonna go for this batch though. I hear another cave.
I has found a piece of dirt. It's gonna be very useful.
I found another piece of gold.
Well, dirt's
Oh,
gonna-
and some lapis.
well, dirt's gonna be more useful right now.
Yeah, I've been using dirt.
I'm using it for multi-purposes.
Okay, that's a lot of gold. Yay, gold, and now I got lapis right here. Oh my gosh, dude. Wait, what level are we on? This is gonna fill my screen. 22. When you're at the freaking 33, is that vertical? I can't tell. I don't know what direction I'm facing.
Grow.
Are you saying grow?
Yeah,
Why are you saying grow?
because I did a zoom in on it.
Oh.
It's cool. You want it? You know what? No, I want it. Oh,
Uh-huh. Yeah, I don't think you want it. Don't think you wanted it enough.
yeah, but okay.
Oh my gosh. This is literally taking forever. Oh, you died again?
Yeah, because I'm keep running out of hunger, and that means I don't regain hearts.
Yeah, same. Hey, while you're up there.
I need help.
No, dude, go up there, get food. Dude, okay. Finally.
I found planes. I want to go searching for some animals.
I might actually come back up. Actually, no, I'm coming back up.
Why?
Do you need down here anymore? Because I need food. Do you need anything else from down here?
I don't think so.
Okay.
I have furnaces
Come.
down there. Oh,
Let's lower this. Let's lower this chat. I can't see it at all there. There we go. Yeah, that's fine.
Die again.
From what? Oh, this zombie here.
From skeletons. I attacked like 5 skeletons.
Dude, our XP level though.
Yes.
No, creeper took my bacon.
I'm about to die. Again. I'm getting chased by a skeleton.
Okay, guys. So I hope you guys did enjoy that first episode of the multiplayer SMP. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to slap that like button. I'll talk to you guys all later.
I'll see you later, guys. Like and subscribe.